Bangalore, Australia. An airshow takes a frightening turn when an ultralight plane flies off without its pilot. The out-of-control aircraft heads straight for the crowd. The runaway plane passenger, Mandy Radford. Grandfather watches in horror.
She wasn't moving. It struck her terribly hard. I was frightened that she was dead.
But rescue is impossible. The plane seems to have a mind of its own. It bears down on Mandy for a second strike.
It lined my granddaughter up again. The plane turned and went straight for her.
Her grandfather in the black coat throws himself between Mandy and the killer plane. His body acts as a shield and protects his precious granddaughter from a certain death blow. The maniacal machine spins wildly for another minute. It only stops when it careens into a parked plane. Mandy is rushed to the hospital with a head injury. Grateful to be alive.
I'm thankful that I've got a extremely brave grandfather who did what he did for me.
A malfunctioning gear caused this bizarre accident, but it was a grandfather's unflinching courage that spared Mandy a gruesome death.